Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, we will learn conjunctions and types of conjunctions.
Okay, teacher.
A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Here are the three main types of conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction joins words or ideas of equal importance. Example, and, but, or, so, for, nor, yet. A subordinating conjunction joins a dependent clause to an independent clause. Example, because, although, if, when, while, since. A correlative conjunction works in pairs to connect equal words or ideas. Example, either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also.
Anna, can you use a coordinating conjunction in a sentence?
I like tea and coffee.
Excellent. David, can you use a subordinating conjunction in a sentence?
I stayed home because it was raining.
Very good. Anna, what is a correlative conjunction?
It is a pair of conjunctions that connects equal words or ideas.
Great. Can you make a sentence?
Both Tom and Jerry are my friends.
Excellent. David, can you make another sentence with a correlative conjunction?
Either we leave now or we will be late.
Perfect. Students, can you give me another example of a coordinating conjunction?
But
Excellent. Can you make a sentence?
she is tired, but she is still working.
Wonderful. Can anyone tell me one more sentence with a conjunction?
Although it was cold, we went outside.
Very good. Remember, a conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Students, do you understand today's lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Great. Keep practicing what you learned today, and your English will improve every day.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. See you next class.